welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Masala Makhana. Makhana is also called as foxnuts or lotus seeds. It's very rich in nutrients, high in antioxidants, helps to stabilize sugar levels, helps in weight loss and have anti-aging properties. This is definitely a very healthy snack recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of ghee. Allow the ghee to melt completely. Keep the flame on low till the end. Now to this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and a pinch of garam masala. Mix it well and make sure the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now to this add a cup of makhana and mix it well. Make sure the masala is well spread in the makhana. Roast for 5 minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes and the makhana is half roasted. At this stage add a pinch of chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Continue to mix for another 3 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes and the makhana is well roasted and super crispy, so off the flame. Now a delicious masala makhana is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious snack recipe. So do try this masala makhana recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.